Hi everyone, this is Kimberly Dixon with Joyful Living with Kimberly Dixon. You guys know that I am about all things joyful, so that not only does that include the things that I do professionally, but it includes the things that I do in my leisure time, such as hiking, camping, and fishing. A few days ago, I did an unboxing for the Plusinno Kids Fishing Kit, and I liked it so much that I ordered one for myself just a few days later. So today I'm going to unbox it to see what the ladies' fishing pole is like from the Plusinno. Don't mind that noise. Of course, I'm knocking stuff off of the table. But I didn't knock the important stuff off. So again, it's lots of bubble wrap. I miss the kind of bubble wrap that you pop. I could pop that stuff for hours, but this is not what that is. So again, this is the fishing kit for the ladies, so it's not like the kids kit, but I'm excited to see what's in here. Because as someone who's been fishing for a little while, I already own a tackle box and lots of things in it. I stocked it up completely. When last year my brother and nephews gave me a fishing pole for Fisherman's Day, so I went and completely stocked my tackle box at that time. So here is some fishing line. You always need fishing line in your box because you never know when you're going to bring in a big one and it's going to snap your line. So you got fishing line. And again, there's a small tackle box. And I like these little ones because a lot of times I'll just throw them in my big tackle box so that I can keep my stuff organized. Got lots of little compartments up top, but when I put things in the bottom, these little ones come in handy. So let's see what we have here. It would be beneficial if I took the little rubber band off. It's causing me all kind of difficulties. But that's good packaging so that the items in the box doesn't spill out during delivery. So again, in this kit we've got hooks. These some nice sturdy hooks. There are two of those, and then these bigger colorful hooks as well. An orange one. I'm trying not to stick myself. And a yellow one. Although it would be fine if I did because I stuck myself with a rusty hook in early spring. So I had to go get another tetanus shot so that I didn't get tetanus. Here's some jelly lures. There are 4 of these. I like that color. It's like a tangerine color. And then there are these larger lure with the double hooks on it. This is what I fish with 99% of the time. Mainly because I just like them. And then there is another larger with double hooks on it. This one is a jelly-like material, where this one is a hard lure. It's like having dangling earrings. You're jingling, baby. Here are some sinkers. There are 2 of those. And swivels and the swivel connectors. And it looks about like 4 or 5 of those. More hooks. And this is a weight or sinker. See, it has the holes in it. And again, you got beads, lots of beads. And I'm dropping them. And I'm still dropping them. So let's take a look. Oh, the spinner. Oh, I like this. So I don't know the difference between one type of spinner and another one. But, so this is the spinner that it came with. And that's where you'll attach it to the pole. And of course you'll put your line on here. And as I normally do, I'll be getting my brother to put all of this together. Man, I'm not ashamed. Like, I need help with some stuff. And putting this pole together is going to be one of them. But it's not that, it doesn't appear to be difficult at all. It's just that he's an expert fisherman and he's been doing this for years. So I'll let him do it. Oh, and again, this I like this because although it doesn't come with the whole bag like the way the kids did, it's still a retractable pole, and it comes with a bag to keep it nicely organized. Again, it has the protective cap on it for shipping purposes. And I got the 6-foot pole because I'm tall. I'm almost 6 foot tall myself. So the other pole was going to be short, and I like a longer pole. So it extends. It's lightweight, so it's not too heavy. And I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm not a real big pink person, although people tell me I'm really girly. Pink is not one of my colors, but I like this pink of this pole. It's pretty. Just because I'm in the woods doesn't mean I don't recognize when something is pretty or not. And honestly, I said I was going to get my brother to put it together, but I think I'm going to try to put this together myself so that I can improve my skills. So guys, this has been an unboxing for the Plusinno ladies fishing rod. And again, this is a 6-foot long pole. See, it's very long. And I love this kit. I think it'll be great. It's some great accessories to go in my tackle box. And I can't wait to get on the bank. And I probably will make another video when I actually do use it for the first time, just so that you can see how it works. But this has been an unboxing for the Plusinno ladies fishing rod. I think it only comes in pink, but I love it and I can't wait to use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned to Joyful Living to find out all that is joyful. If you want to contact me, email me at coach@joyfullivingwithkimberlydixon.com, or you can call me on my office line at 919-977-3160. Have a great day, guys. Always live joyfully. Bye-bye.